Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. In this video, we will be solving one quartic equation which is x power 4 plus 1024 equal to 0. I will use algebra, algebraic identities and manipulations. So let's get started. I will consider x power 4 as x square whole square plus, if you see 1024, then it can be written as 2 raised to the power 10 or 2 raised to the power 5 whole square. 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. So 1024 is nothing but 32 whole square. So it is 32 whole square. Now consider this bracket as A and 32 as B. Now it is A square plus B square. Let's add twice AB and subtract twice AB. It will equal to 0. Now you can see up to this term we can write it is A plus B whole square and minus twice AB equal to 0. So what is A? A is x square. So I will put x square plus 32 whole square minus twice x square 32 equal to 0. X square plus 32 whole square minus 64 x square equal to 0. Now 64 x square I can write. So this will be a x square plus 32 whole square minus, it will be 64 is 8 square. 8 square x square. So I can write 8x whole square equal to 0. Now we know that what is the difference of square formula? A square minus B square is equal to A plus B times A minus B. So let's apply. Equation will become x square plus 32 plus 8x in one bracket, x square plus 32 minus 8x in second bracket. So ultimately two quadratic equations are there. We have to solve for both of the equations. So let me consider x square. First equation is x square plus 8x plus 32 and second bracket. So I am writing second equation, x square minus 8x plus 32 equal to 0. Right hand side is 0. Now you can see A is 1, B is 8, C is 32. Apply the quadratic formula. So formula is minus B plus minus square root B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Let's put the value. So minus 8 plus minus square root 64 minus 4 times 1 times 32. 4 times 32. So that will be 128 divided by 2. Minus 8 plus minus, it will be square root minus 64 divided by 2. So I will write minus 8 plus minus, it is 8 square, 64 is 8 square and minus is iota square. So 8i will be the value of square root divided by 2. That means plus minus 4i. So two values are there, minus 4 plus minus 4i. Now come to the second quadratic equation. Apply again quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to negative 8, C is equal to 32, X will be equal to 8 minus B is minus of minus 8, so plus 8 plus minus square root B square means 64, minus 8 square is 64, minus 4 times 1 times 32, again it will come out 128, divided by 2, A is 1, so 2. Again same thing will come out, except 8 plus minus square root 64 over 2. We will write 8 plus minus 8 iota divided by 2. 4 plus minus 4 iota or I. So all four roots of this equation are complex or imaginary. You can see x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 4 iota, and here two complex roots are 4 plus minus 4 iota. So this is how you will calculate the solution of this Quartic equation. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and give like impression. Thank you so much for watching my video.